guys, welcome to Tian's Data Cafe. So thank you for clicking on this link. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about the top 5 interview questions for data analyst part 1. Okay, the first question is going to be, what is data mining? Data mining is the process of discovering relevant information that has not yet been identified before. In data mining, raw data is converted into valuable information. Question number 2. What are the various steps involved in any analytics project? Understanding the problem, collecting data, cleaning data, exploring and analyzing data, interpreting the results. What are the different types of hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing is the procedure used by statisticians and scientists to accept or reject statistical hypotheses. There are mainly two types of hypothesis testing. So one is null hypothesis. It states that there is no relation between the predictor and outcome variables in the population. Okay, so H0 denoted it. Example, there is no association between a patient's BMI and diabetes. Alternative hypothesis. It states that there is some relation between the predictor and outcome variables in the population. It is denoted by H to the function of 1. Example, there could be an association between a patient's BMI and diabetes. The next question is, what are the common problems that data analysts encounter during analysis? Handling duplicate data, collecting the meaningful right data at the right time, handling data purging and storage problems, making data secure, and dealing with compliance issues. The next question is, define the term data wrangling in data analytics. Data wrangling is the process wherein raw data is cleaned, structured, and enriched into desired usable format for better decision making. Techniques such as merging, grouping, concatenating, joining, and sorting are used to analyze the data. Thereafter, it gets ready to be used with another data set. So thank you for watching. So please do wait for part 2. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Until then, see you. Tada, bye bye. Do what you love.